In this video, we're going to show you how to insert and make the background moon or planet move a little bit, give it a little sense of movement here. So here's our planet. Didn't want to do that. Let's actually bring it into our scene. Just going to drop it in there for now. We'll resize it in a minute. Now notice that it's behind there, and so we're going to have to do some layering. So this is a good example of working with layers here. So we want to increase the size, but we also want it to go behind the ship. And so to do that, while this is selected there, we can click on this here. This is where you get your layers. And right now we have, this is all, if you click on this arrow here, it'll open up, collapse all these items on these different layers. So notice each alien is on its own layer, and this one is at the very top. So so what we want to do is drag this all the way up. Actually, let me see if I can increase the size from here. 120 by 120. You know what? Let's make it 300 by 300. And let's now bring it in. That's better. You want it, somewhere there. Something like that. And now the layering, which is the key thing here. Okay, so now if I bring it to the top, that should work. So let's play it now. Let's see what happens. Yeah, okay, so that, on the scene, it puts it, behind there. So that's, looking pretty good there. But what's a little bothersome is I can't see my ship here in the edit mode here. So let's see if I can play around with that a little bit. Yeah, okay, if I bring it up here, now I can see it. So if you put the actor and then the ship right underneath it, right there, then you're able to see the ship and the moon there. Okay. So now what we want to do is actually, let's just call this planet, since that is now an actor. Okay, and we want to put some programming on this actor. So let's go to actor here, and okay. So right now on the prototype for the planet, what we want to do is we want to create some movement for the planet here. So what we want to do is bring in our persistent move action here, and we want it to move at 270, in direction of 270. Okay, which will make it go down, as you can see there. Okay, we want it relative to the scene, not the actor, and we're going to make it go at a speed of 60. We'll slow that down here. Okay, and let's go ahead and test that out. Okay, so you can see that that's a nice effect for it to sort of slide, nice animation effect for it to slide off the scene in the beginning. Okay, so that's how we create the make the moon move or moonwalk. All right, we'll see you in the next video.